How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, connect the iPhone and Android to the same Wi-Fi network. The Send Anywhere app makes sending photos over Wi-Fi so easy you'll forget you are not using Bluetooth or AirDrop. Install Send Anywhere on both the iPhone and Android. You can get the app from the App Store for iPhone and Play Store for the Android devices. Open the Send Anywhere app on your iPhone. After that, tap Photos tab. It's at the top of the page. This displays all the photos you have on your device. Tap one or more photos. You can send just one photo if you want, or tap as many photos as you would like to send. And tap on the Send the Photos button available there. While in the Android device, open the Send Anywhere and tap on the Receive button available there. Enter the 6-digit code or scan the QR code and tap OK on the iPhone, and the photos will be transferred easily. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.